Look back. Let me show mommy. Come here. Where did you go? Where are you? Ray, where are you? What the? There you are. Here's your jacket. Who's on your jacket? Huh? Who's on your jacket? Who is that? Tell Daddy who's on your jacket. Come here, you. Who's on your jacket? Oh, you're taking it off? Huh? And you're stepping on your brand new jacket?
Huh?
Are you stepping on it? Why are you stepping on it? Can Mom have it?
Yay.
Can you give it to Mommy?
Here.
You're going to put it on there?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's on that jacket?
Huh?
Who is on that jacket?
I know.
What's his name?
Is it?
Spider-Man?
Is it?
Not AJ.
Huh?
Not Elijah.
Daddy, good morning.
Good morning?
Is it good morning?
Elijah, good morning?
Yeah.
What? Talk to Daddy. Say hi, Daddy.
No one. Hey, Daddy.
Okay, say bye, Daddy. Come here and say bye, Daddy.